What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the channel.
Guest is power day. We're in a Maypen.
Of course. Yeah,
and
guys.
we're at JD's Natural Choice Health Food Restaurant.
Of course.
So this is kind of abnormal, but today we're in the streets and we're going to be sampling a lot of Jamaican street food. And we decided that we should first start with this unique spot in Maypen.
Of course.
So unique because this is a vegan restaurant.
Yes, guys.
Vegan restaurant. So come with me now.
In this restaurant, guys, them have the authentic Jamaican patty, but of course with their own vegan twist, right? So them have ackee patty, split peas. Yeah, that's
Yatti.
The restaurant man said yatti. Yeah, man.
So it's not patty.
Yatti.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Del Pet family. The Del Pet family. The Del Pet family. The Del Pet family. The Del Pet family.
The yatti is where we really come to try. Alright? Yatti is a vegetable patty.
Yeah, man, we have mixed with split peas and ackee.
Oh, so you normally have a variety again like ackee?
Yeah, and that's what you can choose from. We have ackee, mixed with split peas, broad bean, sometimes we do callaloo, sometimes we do cabbage, sometimes we do tofu. Okay.
So what kind of dough you use? And I noticed that they kind of have a wheat dough. So what I found very interesting, when I looked at it, is that typically when persons make patty, it normally look like the commercial brand patty, they're like the yellow. But your one is wheat, which I really appreciate.
Straight natural.
And I like the fact that it is basically a vegan. It is basically straight vegan.
No meat, not meat fish.
Okay.
So all of your lunch even is still vegan.
Yeah, man. We normally red peas, stew, tofu, cabbage, callaloo, cabbage and pak chow.
I know what I find interesting there.
Sip at the soup.
Sip at the soup?
Yeah. So sip different juice.
The juice. Yeah. You know, guys, what I found very interesting, or what I have been observing, is that a lot of vegetarian restaurants are popping up in Jamaica. It wasn't so popular one time, but now only for vegetarian restaurants, and I really appreciate them because them food tastes good. Food tastes good, and food always tastes good. I would try the split peas. Like,
okay. Now the mixed vegetable.
Yeah, but the mixed vegetable would have been the potato and whatever, but the split peas would have been the...
Okay.
A split peas or
split peas one. Split peas, yeah.
I'll try that one.
So how is it? Man can talk. Yeah, man. So what you have?
Split peas.
Split peas. Okay. Nice. Hey, so what you want? So what we're gonna order?
I'll try this split peas, but remember I'm on my keto diet, so I'm not eat that one for the flour quite a bit, but I definitely want to taste the feeling.
Okay. Guys, now go with the split peas as well. Yeah, man. So excited to try it, guys. Definitely,
Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, so we're about to try it.
Watch it.
Watch it. Kaiwa getting nice. Watch it. Kaiwa getting nice.
Guys. Alright? Look at that. We're going to take a bite.
What's Kaya joy?
Yeah, man, you can get this split peas taste on. It's really nice. I like the dough too. You know?
Straight in.
I like the dough.
What's the straight in?
It's really good, guys. It's a really nice.
I had a peanut.
Yeah, man.
It's a really nice vegetarian dish,
Yeah. You like it, babe?
Good, man.
So is it unusual or is it a good flavor you can work with?
I mean, if you use the split peas, this is split peas one, right? If you use the split peas, you can definitely go with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's good, man. It's vegetarian, So I know the fatty meat, right? But it's a healthy way, you know?
Healthy alternative. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So this now have the whole heap of sugar, you know?
Karina seems too interested in that one, yeah, at all. Normally, he would have reached for the cup. Oh, there he goes. He was just distracted. This is a Kalaloo, no sugar.
No sugar.
Yeah. So this should be in line with keto. You know, you're getting your Kalaloo, all the flavoring and everything, but no sugar.
So Jaden, what do you think about the juice? You like it? You're going at it though. You're going at it, TJ? Yeah, man. Oh, let's go. Yeah, man. Almost 20 years.
Almost 20 years.
You're almost 20 years. Wow. So how is the Kalaloo juice?
It's good enough, but it has no sugar, so nobody expect no sweetness at all. But you do get the Kalaloo and the ginger flavor coming out.
Okay.
Alright, so as you guys can see, it has a bit, it has the layer over it, which I wouldn't want a makita that, but we still have to taste it.
I want some before granted.
It tastes very green. Like you ever eat Kalaloo loaf, it has a flavor like that, but not as strong. Not as strong. But the flavor is really nice.
Nice, yeah. Alright guys.
Hey guys, so we're at our second location and it's at Jerk Center, so you know me happy because I like jerk.
Yeah man, of course. So we're at Steers Jerk Center, Maple Clarendon. Alright, them do authentic Jamaican jerk chicken guys, so we're gonna see how that will go on guys, alright? Yeah man. Alright guys, of course I've put in our order. Alright. So I'll go with 2/4 the breast. You see me, that way I work with guys. So yeah man, mad things. See the smoke there behind me? Right, some nice sweet wood and some pimento smoke. You know? Steers Jerk Center, Maple Clarendon. You know? Perfect. So Mr. Steer, I gotta deal with our quarter them, you know, special, you know. Yeah man. How long you know here now, Mr. Steer?
20 years.
20 years, right here in Maple.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at his excitement over the chicken. Look. And look at his dad. These carnivores. These carnivores. But especially this one. Look how enthused he is about the chicken. No sir.
Nice now guys.
Yeah, good
Proper
and
man.
nice. Let me see what it's like. So this is the chicken. It look nice, it smell nice too. I haven't eaten it yet, guys. This carnivore is showing you his chicken. He's so excited about it. Kai, what are you excited about? Did you like your mashed potato? Did you? Guys, you eat mashed potato this morning. Can you imagine? Boy, I get big. Hey, Kai. Kyrie, Kyrie. Carry across.
This is it. Yep. How is it? How is it?
I like it.
Really nice. Well seasoned. Well seasoned.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us again on another Del Price family video. You know we did love to have you over here. Subscribe if you haven't already.
Yeah guys, enable that notification bell guys so you don't miss an upload.
Yeah, put the setting on all, alright? And give us a thumbs up and share our video with those who you know will enjoy